Hello friends, now let us take up the concept number 9, 15.9, creating our own package, Metricsys. Now, I will explain you the procedure of creating user defined package. In this case, I named it as Metricsys. As a matter of convention, in packages, all elements are written in lowercase. That point always you remember. That is why I have written Metricsys in lowercase. As I told you already, directory structure and package structure are alike. In our file and directory system, we use slashes. Here we use dot operator. That is the only difference. So, this is nothing new to you. Already you have been working on the computer, you are creating directories, subdirectories, files, how you can access them, all that you know. Now, the same analogy is equally applicable. As far as our case is concerned, just this is all these concepts, chapters are from Java All Clear book. So, all the programs in this book are being worked out in a Jack directory, Java All Clear directory, and in that chapter wise I am creating several subdirectories. Of course, I do not want to discuss all those things here. In order to understand this demo, you understand that we have created one Jack directory which is meant for working out all the programs in Java All Clear textbook. Now, I am dealing with a metric system, and that is why I want to create one package called Metricsys in Jack directory. That is why I want to make the package name as Metricsys in lowercase. Okay, in Metricsys, I want to create 5 classes. Here you see, one is capacity, cubic, third one is a linear, fourth one square, fifth one weight. I want to create 5 classes in Metricsys package. They are capacity, cubic, linear, square and weight. For the sake of simplicity, I am defining just a single constant or a constant and a simple method. Here contents, how many contents are there is immaterial. So, it may be 1 content or 100 contents, but they must belong to that class. So, here our focus is the procedure of understanding the procedure of creating user defined package, that you have to understand. So, now you see what I have written and all that. First, for above every class I have defined in which package the capacity, the class should be stored. Then for this purpose, first already I told you Jack directory is there. Within the Jack directory, I created a subdirectory Metricsys. Within the Metricsys, I created this class. It should be public class capacity. Within the capacity, only one statement, one constant I have defined, public, final, double, liters to gallon, and this is the value. So, one I have defined. Next one, again package state, this is what we call package statement. As I told you already, if you write this type of thing, package statement should be the first statement. After that only import statement can write. If package statement is not there, you can write import statement first. If package statement is there, package and import statements are there, it is mandatory to write package statement first, thereafter you have to write import statement. Now, that is why package state Metricsys and class cubic. In that one constant I am defining cubic meters to cubic yard, this is the value, and thereafter one method also I am creating formula demo. This is meant for demonstrating the formula cube is equal to side into side into side. Okay. Thereafter, let us come to linear. Above linear package statement I have written Metricsys, and next square Metricsys and contents I have written. Next weight Metricsys, contents I have written. This way, one very important thing you must remember is you should not write main. When you are creating packages, you should not create, should not write main in this. Already I told you, main is meant for execution. So, here we are not executing, we are making these classes part of a package, So, first we have to write this one. Now, these classes should be created in Metricsys, this thing only. Okay. Thereafter, now classes are ready. You have to compile them. Means you have to create the corresponding bytecode. Then there are two alternatives before you. Now Java is the compiler. You don't execute, because you cannot execute, because main statement is not, main method is not there, but you can compile it. For compilation sake, you will have two options. First one is, here you see Java. Now whatever are there classes you write capacity.java, comma cubic.java, comma linear.java, comma square.java, comma, and finally weight.java. Like that you can write. If you want to write in a simpler way, you can write. You can use wildcard java star dot java. If you write that, all classes, whatever classes, here 5, they may be 100, also all are executed, all are compiled. Then you know that as a result of compilation, what happens, you know that corresponding bytecode files are created, their names are dot class. So, if you want to check, you can check it up. If you open this Metricsys subdirectory, you can find what you find after successful compilation, what you can find cubic dot class. Next, this is capacity dot class, cubic dot class, linear dot class, square dot class, weight dot class. That bytecode files you can find. By that you can realize that your class files are stored in the Metricsys package. So, next step, now you must believe that already you have seen in the Metricsys package your class files are stored, it is part of the package. So, in the Jack directory itself, you want to write a program and utilize one or more of these classes. What should you do? You have to import. By using import statement, you can import these classes, all classes, by using a wildcard, or otherwise whatever class you want and all that. So, first we have created a package, Metricsys package. In the Metricsys package, these 5 class files are stored. Thereafter, after this, I will show you how to import and use the contents of these 5 classes.